guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos look more HD with the curves feature on the CapCut PC. So you are going to go to adjustments here, go to curves, and move the right to the bottom and the left to the top, and you're going to do that for all of the colors. So just drag to move and do it for everything basically. That one, and then we have this one, and lastly we have the blue one to do. You can also do this on your phone, by the way. And then you are going to, actually I'm just going to add another one here. I forgot to do that. You have to copy and paste that because that's going to be the overlay. Then go to effects, go to video effects, go to lens, and add in a blur to the video with the one with the effect, like so. Then I'm going to select both, right click, create compound clip, go to basic, go to video, go to blend mode, and choose linear burn. And just adjust it. You don't want it to be very heavy, maybe around 30-40%. Go to media, go to library, and add in a white overlay on top. Select blend mode, select overlay. And if it's too bright, you're just going to want to adjust it a little bit. And you're also going to want to adjust the blend mode as well, like so. Then you are going to select the video, go to adjustments, and then you're just going to adjust the brightness of it as well as the contrast. Just adjust it how you like it. Maybe just the highlights and the shadow as well. And then I'm just going to sharpen the video. And this is what your video should look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!